Can I sell my deceased parents' house without probate? If you're thinking about selling your deceased parents' property in New York, it's essential to understand probate laws. Probate is a legal process that confirms the validity of a will and ensures the proper distribution of the estate. Whether probate is required depends on how the property was owned and its overall value. In many cases, this process is unavoidable and can lead to delays in selling the house. However, under specific conditions, probate can be bypassed, making the sale of the property more efficient. Let's explore the legalities surrounding probate and when it can be avoided. Legal requirements for probate in New York. Probate is required in New York when certain conditions are met. If your parents owned the house solely in their name, probate is typically necessary. This is true for both real estate and personal property such as vehicles, bank accounts without named beneficiaries, or valuable items like jewelry. Additionally, if the total estate value exceeds $50,000, probate will be required to handle the transfer of ownership legally. Another key factor is whether a valid will exists. If there isn't one, the court will appoint an administrator to oversee the distribution of assets according to New York intestacy laws. Disputes over the will or ownership of the property can also trigger the probate process. If your parents owned the house solely, with no joint tenancy or trust arrangement in place, you'll need to go through probate. This ensures that all debts, taxes, and claims against the estate are settled before the property can be legally transferred. A qualified lawyer can help you navigate these situations. How you can sell the property without probate. In some cases, selling a deceased parent's house without probate is possible. If the property was held in joint tenancy with the right of survivorship, the surviving owner automatically inherits the property. This setup bypasses probate entirely, allowing for a quicker and easier sale. For example, if your parent co-owned the house with you or another family member, you would immediately inherit the property upon their passing. Another method to avoid probate is through a living trust. If the house was placed in a trust, the successor trustee can manage the sale without the need for court involvement. Trust arrangements are often used to streamline the distribution of assets and avoid probate delays. Furthermore, starting in July 2024, New York will allow transfer on death deeds, which enable the property to be passed directly to a named beneficiary without probate. This new legal option can significantly simplify the process for future property transfers. Understanding the process of avoiding probate when selling a house without probate, you need to follow certain steps to ensure a smooth transaction. First, verify that you have the legal right to sell the property, whether through joint tenancy, a trust, or a transfer on death deed. Gather all necessary documentation, such as the death certificate and trust documents. You'll also need to prepare several legal documents, including a deed of sale and an affidavit of title. A skilled attorney can assist with preparing and filing these documents. It's also important to work with a title company to conduct a title search. This process ensures there are no outstanding liens or claims on the property, which could complicate the sale. A thorough title search and title insurance are essential in protecting both you and the buyer from future legal disputes. Even if you meet the conditions to avoid probate, consulting with a knowledgeable attorney is still recommended. They can help confirm that all legal requirements are met, ensuring the sale proceeds without complications. Selling a deceased parent's house without probate is possible under certain circumstances, but understanding the specific conditions is crucial. If the property was held in joint tenancy, placed in a trust, or is eligible for a transfer on death deed, you can bypass the probate process and move forward with the sale. However, if probate is necessary, it's important to be prepared for the legal complexities and potential delays. At Sishodia PLLC, our experienced estate attorneys are here to guide you through every step of the process. Whether you're looking to avoid probate or need assistance navigating it, we can provide the legal support you need. Call us today at 833-616-4646 or visit us at 600 3rd Avenue, 2nd floor, New York, New York 10016 to discuss your situation and explore your options. Don't let legal hurdles delay your plans. Let our team help you achieve a smooth property sale.